Here it goes.
There it is, there it is.
There it is.
Oh no, run for it, Wyatt.
Get it, get it, get it, it's coming.
Oh, it's coming back.
Right here,
Very windy day.
It's in the tree. It's in the tree.
That'll teach him. That was cool.
You want to do another one, Ethan?
Another parachute.
We'll do another parachute here.
Yay. Can I try
All right, we'll do it right here, Andrew.
to catch it again?
Andrew, I'm gonna do it here. Andrew.
Okay.
Can I try to catch it again?
Yep.
There it comes right here.
On the driveway.
Talking about that tree. You have to explain that a little later. All right, I'm gonna shoot it off over here.
You want more? Another parachute?
He's gonna do another one. I think you'll catch this one. Hopefully it doesn't get hung up in the wire there. Here we go. Here you go.
Oh, you got this.
That one should be able to get. Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, a little bit backwards.
This way, run. Be careful.
Oh, no, that way.
Good job.
Hey, we got it.
You got it.
Pick it up if
You
you
can
want
pick
to
it up just from the parachute. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's still on fire. Be careful with that. Bring it to your dad. All right, Andrew, we're gonna do another parachute.
That's the last one.
Last parachute. Good job.
Another parachute.
Last parachute.
Come here. Let's watch this one.
Can you flush from a distance?
Let's watch this one.
If you happen to catch it, it's good.
What? I want to catch it again.
Oh, that's real high up there. That one's going on their house.
Wow.
man.
It's coming back.
Oh, here it comes. Here it comes.
It's going away. It's coming back. It's going
Here
away.
it goes. That's going back. Oh, it's gone.
Good catch, Wyatt.
All right, 2 out of the 4 we retrieved.